Well, welcome back again to Take It Out and Revs IT. Today I'm testing out the Crosstour CT to see how it fares as a vlogging camera. I have made an adjustment to the microphone because it's very sensitive, which is brilliant for normal use, but when it's inside a helmet like this it was a bit overmodulated and a bit distorted. So if you want to see the video that I made about doing that, it's up on the screen now. So we're going to see if it's fixed the problem and see how it fares as a vlogging camera, or motor vlogging camera in this case. It's a gorgeous sunny early winter, late autumn day, and we just got a little ride out. Watching out for the cars and the trailers and the tractors, lots of them about at the moment. Make sure the vents are all the way open. It's a cold day today, so hot breath and a cold visor ends up with misted up visor. I'll be starting some work on the bike soon about various mods and upgrades, so watch out for the videos on Revs IT regarding that. What a gorgeous day to be riding. I've got my winter gloves on now, so I'm testing those out today as well. The Reacher winter gloves with Gore-Tex. So see if they're a bit warmer. The other ones were getting a bit cold, the Dionysi. Although they are winter gloves, they say they're not quite as padded as these and thermally insulated. But these seem quite warm at the moment. I will of course soon be putting the as one of my upgrades and mods, the heated grips on. So in line with that then, we got the heated grips, we got the sliders to put on. I'm going to show you how I put that extra brake light on, so it shows up below. Sorry about that, somebody decided to pull across the road in front of that poor van. Where was that? Oh yes, the extra brake light, which is below the level of the back box, because with the box on it does pose a problem for larger vehicles like tall vans and trucks. If they're close by you, which they tend to do for some reason, they can't see the brake light and the back light. So I put that on as an extra mod just to add a little bit of safety. One other mod I'm looking at is fitting auto cancelling indicators. I think we all do it time to time, forget to cancel the indicators, and there's now a way of actually having auto cancelling indicators. Gorgeous, gorgeous day here in South Wales. Staying well back from this van, because there's a tractor down there as well, pulled over, and you never know who's going to come around this corner on the wrong side of the road. I'm not sure whether I've put the EIS on the camera, so if it is a little bit jerky, it's because I haven't. I should have checked that before I left. But we'll see. It's in a new position and it's slightly different to where it was, so it may be a bit more firm now and less vibrations. I think I'll go the same way this fan is going. And as if to prove the point, I just remembered there to turn the indicators off. I'd be interested to know, by the way, if you want to leave a comment below about anything you'd like to see me talk about or try to do on the bike, improvements, updates, any technical things about motorcycles these days that you'd like to go through. Oh, nice car. Vroom vroom. Absolutely stunning day out here for a late autumn, early winter. You couldn't want better really for riding. The roads are fairly dry, though you've got to be careful at the moment. Watch out for the farms and the muck that comes off onto the road, and also runoff from where it's been raining. But most of the roads seem pretty good. So I'm just going to do a circle around back to the house. One thing I do want to make sure I don't do this time, I have been out once before to do this, and I filled my SD card up, so it actually overwrote the first part of what I was saying. So I will have to make sure that I switch it off at some point. Wind is getting up a little bit, so you might be able to see if the wind cancellation on the camera works as well. That'd be good. What a lovely road to ride on. Nice sweeping bends. There is a 40-mile limit though, 40-mile-an-hour limit, and they do enforce it round here, so you've got to be very careful, or you might come round the bend and see a van parked with a camera pointing at you. So here we are then, coming to the end of our ride. It's been a lovely ride out, and the weather's still chilly, but not too chilly. There was a frost on the ground this morning when I went out, but that's cleared up. It's been a really nice ride out, so I've enjoyed this. Let's hope now that the camera is all working properly and that the microphone has been set to a setting that's appropriate, so it's not over modulating and you can hear me properly, and I'll be all happy. So for now, from Take It Out, thanks for watching. I'm from Revs IT. Ride on and ride safe.